Straight ahead, Elizabeth.
Elizabeth, please, Elizabeth. Straight ahead.
To your left.
Elizabeth, straight ahead, please. Over the shoulder.
Elizabeth Banks is the current spokesperson for the new Nestle Crunch Girl Scout cookie bars, and the actress is currently starring in the movie People Like Us. She's also coming off an MTV Movie win for her role as Effie in The Hunger Games. Banks is fully behind the Girl Scout bars, considering she was a Girl Scout herself.
I was indeed a Girl Scout. I actually started as a brownie even. And I loved wearing my uniform to school on troop meeting days. Yeah, I was a Girl Scout. I sold the cookies. I think it's a great organization. It takes care of a lot of girls in this country, 2.5 million girls at any given time. I learned a lot of life skills. I learned how to ride a horse. I learned how to canoe, how to sew. I did a lot of needlepoint. It's great, a lovely skill set, and I made lifelong friends as well.
Banks has been signed to play Effie in the next Hunger Games movie, and we'll have more on that and her current movie in the next few days.